Welcome everyone, this is Griffine Server. It is an unlock code server software which you can basically upload on your own hosting server and start selling unlock codes. However, you must remember that we do not supply any unlock codes. Therefore, you must look for your own suppliers yourself. I'll just go through the whole process on how you can take a 7 days free trial, or you can order the product and install it yourself on our on your hosting server. I'll go to the products page, and you can see you have got a few features written here. There's a lot more features, but we have listed the main ones. Now you can go to the purchasing and free trial, and we basically say that we have a dedicated licensing system, and this is the basically licensing system we have. So first of all, you have to go and create an account, fill all your information, get a username and a password, then go to view products. Now you have to select that you want to buy Graphene Server paid, or you want to order the Graphene Server 7 days free trial. The free trial is free, however the paid version costs money. So for example, I want to take a 7 days free trial. I click on order now. It's $0. I order. Now you must add your domain name here. For example, your domain is google.com, so you under license domain you will write google.com, and under secure license domain you'll add a www in front of that .com. Now you click on next and click on checkout. Now you must basically fill in your username and password. So after you order this, license will be generated, and license will be in the form of license.dat. Just save it on your PC like I have saved it here on my desktop. Now after you have ordered the 7 days free trial, you'll also have access to our forum, but you will only have access to the pre-sales questions area, the pre-sales forums. You will not have access to the after sales because you are not a paid customer. After you have purchased the version, you will have access to the paid area, the after sales support forum. However, the product comes with 6 months of free support and free updates. Now, uh, now, I have downloaded the code. After you have logged in into the licensing system, you can download the code from there. So I've downloaded the code here. So it is a .zip file. I can right click and extract and just see. So these are the files. Now if you have cPanel, it is very easy to install, because then you can directly upload the .zip file. So you have to go to your file manager, this file manager, and then you can upload. Click on upload. Upload is here, and select the file, and after the upload is completed, you will see your file like this. Right click on it, extract. So all files are extracted. Now you can delete the zip file. Now before you can run this code, you will also have to upload your license file. Without your license file, your server will give an error. So I will click on upload, browse. I put it on desktop, license, open. So it's basically uploading. So it has been uploaded. I'll just click on reload and I can see the license file. Now put your website URL wherever you have uploaded here. So you'll get the URL from here and I press enter. So it will, because you're a first time user, it will be directly taking you to the installer page. So click on create a configuration file. It will say, congratulations, your server meets the requirements. Then create a configuration file. Then make sure you have to, in the next step, you have to write down your base URL. Your base URL is basically this, where you are getting here. That is before the installer thing. So I'll just copy it from here, and then a security key. A security key will add an added layer of protection so that all data in the database will be encrypted using this security key, and this will be unique for each website. So let's go. So it says URL should be in this format, and make sure you put a slash at the end of the URL. So I have got a slash at the end of the URL. Now encryption key, for example, unlock 10, or it can be anything. It can be, say, refine 10, 30, anything. Okay, so it can also have special characters like this. Now you need to have a database. So we should have the database name, database username, database password, and database host. So you have to go back into your cPanel and just go down, and you will see there's an option is MySQL database wizard. Use that, and I'll just say test S. Next. So test S, password can be any. So create. Now click on all privileges and next step. So after you have noted down your database password, say let's go, database name underscore test S, username underscore test S, password, and your email. Make sure you write down the correct email here, because your admin password will be randomly generated and sent to your email. So after in this next step, you will get your username and password. Make sure you copy your password. Username will always be admin. Copy your password and click on activate your account. So you must wait 10 seconds. The server is getting activated. After activation, you'll see the home page. So it says your account is activated, and now the server is loading for the first time. So here we can log in into the admin panel. Here we put in the admin, and here is the password. Because we already know that the password is a complex one and it is difficult to remember, so after logging in, I will go on to site settings on the right menu, and here I can change the admin password. So keep it something easy to remember and make sure it is secure. Now I'll just go back to home. So now here you can see the posts from our blog. Whatever are the latest posts will be coming here. Now that's the right menu where you can have access to each and everything. Now I'll just give a quick overview of the product. I'll just go to log out, and this is the about page. Here, this is the banner. This banner can be changed from the admin panel. Then we have the credit support and models page. Whatever services you'll be adding from the back end of the product will be visible here. And then you have a news section. This is basically what you see, what you get editor. So whatever you write here will be displayed here. So the buy page, same what you see, what you get editor, you can edit it from the back end. Then FAQ is the same, and then check IMEI. Check IMEI is basically, for example, somebody has ordered an IME on your website and he doesn't want to log in into your website, and then he can just directly put in the IME number and press submit, and he'll get the unlock code. That's all. So now you can see the contact us page. Here your users can fill all this information and submit, and you will get the information in your email. Make sure you set up the admin email inside settings. I'll just show you how to set up. So I'm again logging into the admin, and I will again have to go into site settings. So site settings, whenever you install your website, the first thing is your site settings. So it says first one is footer text. If I scroll down the page, I have some text here. This can be changed. So you can just delete this text, write whatever you want, and save. Then now the title text. Title text is here on the top. You can delete this and write whatever you want and save. This logo will actually not do anything. It is only for the backend. You can upload a logo with width of 203 and height 31 pixels, and your logo will be displayed here. This is for changing the admin password. I've already shown. This is admin name and email. So this is the email ID from which your users will be receiving emails. So it is mandatory that you change this to your own email ID, and that's the name. For example, somebody any email is going from the server, you have to basically write your name. You can write your name, or you can write your server name. So it will be coming from this name and this email, and this is BCC, blank carbon copy to admin. So any email that goes out from the server will be carbon copied to admin. So but make sure this increases the email load on your server. For example, your server cannot send more than, for example, like 50 emails per hour or less. I would recommend you turn off this option. Here is the PayPal email, because the product has inbuilt PayPal integration and can accept payment from your users using PayPal and instantly add credits. So here is the enable PayPal option. If you enable it, then only users will be able to buy using PayPal. And this is enable PayPal to manual mode. This means that if as soon as somebody pays you, his credits will not be added to his account unless you as an admin accept the order. Now this is user setting. It says enable user registration. If you want to disable users to register on your website, then you can uncheck this. Users will not be able to register. Then enable users to buy credits on site. If you uncheck this, people will not be able to buy credits on your website using PayPal or Google checkout. So this is the home page image. The image basically I showed you in the about page. That image, this image can be changed from this site settings page, and make sure you adhere to the size. It is 794 pixels into 383 pixels. Now this is mobile account details. So I would recommend that you email us. We have got an SMS service where your users after ordering can get the unlock codes via SMS. Now it says change the name for your pages. So here on the top we have credits, supported models, news by. So all these page names can be changed. For example, news page, I can just go on edit, change the name to whatever I want and save, and this will have the new name here. So this is backup database. If you click here, it will basically back up your database to a file, and you can, for example, if you have an issue that you want to keep a backup of your whole database of your whole website, just click here and save it. Now it says enable check IME option. If you uncheck it and submit, then this check IME option will be removed from the website. Now it says enable credit page. It will basically disable the credits and supported models page from the website. I now go here, enable user under user option. Now this is we have a feature where in which your users on your website can create new users under them with their credits. If you do not want this option, you just uncheck and submit. Now that says this is the unlock base API key. I hope you already know what is unlock base, so you can go to www.unlockbase.com. They are providers for a lot of unlock codes, and you can create an account with them and get an API key. Fill the API key here and press submit, and here you will have update unlock base database. Use this option and you will get all their services on your website, and you can resell with your own name. Similarly, we have the GSM admin API, so you can go to gsmadmin.com and you can get an account there and get their API key and submit, and you can go here, update GSM admin database, and all their services which they are selling on their website will be available on your this server, and you can edit everything, the name, the price, and everything. You can sell under your brand name. Now it says select login page. Some of you would not like to have this interface for your users, so you already might have a shopping cart or something, or you already have a website where you can place just a link where your users can log in and just order codes. So if I select customized and press submit, then if I log out, you will see that the whole website is gone. Now you just have this login form. You can place this, you can wherever this is installed, you have a shopping cart, you can put a link to this URL, and people will be able to log in and also register. I'll again log in into admin and set it back to the standard design. I'll again go to site settings, and here I'm going to click standard and submit. Now here's the time zone. You can select any time zone, in whichever time zone are you can select, and your server will be set according to that time zone. So for example, somebody is ordering codes, he'll be able to see his local time. So for example, your server is in Hawaii, you are based in Hawaii, then you can select Hawaii and save, and now you will be in your local time zone, so it is easy for you to check. Similarly, now is IP settings. This is the option where you as the admin or your users can define their IPs, and they will be only able to log in if they are logging into the system with the same IP range. There's a very good security feature. You can click on active and submit. We'll be showing in another tutorial how to use the IP system and everything else in detail. So that's all. That's a I would say this is a quick functioning of this whole system, and do watch other videos so that you can have detailed features. We have over 1000 features in this whole system. Thank you for watching.